My name is Amy Lowe, and I'm a 5th grade math teacher at George Hall Elementary School in Mobile, Alabama. I've been using smart technologies and the smartboard in my classroom for about 2.5 years, and since I'm the dedicated math teacher, I mostly during my math instruction. I just wanted to share with you a few things that I do during math instruction that I do with the kids, really to build interaction. One of the first things we do, we start all of our lessons with some mental math activities. This is similar to a slide that I would use. We have a daily number, and you just tap and it comes up, and then the students one by one will come up and they can tap on one of these ovals and it gives a mental math problem. So the kids then would very quickly do 672 plus 5,000 in their minds, and then we can move to the next one. And we just start just a quick way to get them involved in making sure that their mental math skills are what they need to be. Another activity I do is when we do several VIN activities, and at the beginning of the year I start with 2 large VINs and a double VIN, and all of their names are up here, and I have them write them in, and then we convert those to text, and they can just drag their name to the appropriate place. It gives a little interaction and really helps them see with our data collection. So that's another way we use smart technology. It's really a lot easier than having to make it on paper every day. A final thing, it's really easy when I have to do a triple VIN, because sometimes those can take up a lot of room, and so instead of doing the names, I just did a star that just clones, and they can drag it to the right place, and that's really easy for us to see where our data is grouped. The kids really love that, and it's very interactive. I also use Smart Notebook for several lessons. This is a lesson I created on the history of the $1 bill. It's interactive, has a lot of stuff going on. The kids really like it, and it goes through the history. This first slide, they can just drag down the dollar sign, and it gives them some money facts. So it just highlights as it goes down, and they can read about those facts. This one they really like, because one by one they can come up and they can drag the magnifying glass to certain things that they see, and we talk about each one of those. The tab slides to reveal the things that we should be looking at on the slide. So they can George Washington's portrait, and we can look at all the parts of the $1 bill. So it's really very interactive, and they really like that. It goes on, it has some embedded files in it, some videos that connect to the Treasury Department, and some Cynthia questions at the end. So those are really some of the ways that I use smart technologies in the classroom. It's really enhanced the engagement of the students, and they really love it.